Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we make math easy and understandable for everyone. In this video, we will be solving an exponential equation to find the value of x. So, if you are someone who struggles with exponential equation, this video is perfect for you. Let's start by writing the equation we need to solve. 8 over 7 is raised to power 2 multiply 7 is raised to power x minus 2 multiply 7 is raised to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 42. As you can see, this is not a straightforward equation, but don't worry, we will break it down step by step. The first thing we need to do is simplify the left hand side of this equation. We can start by simplifying the expression in the second term. 7 is raised to power x minus 2 can be written as, using the rules of exponents, we can simplify the expressions. 7 is raised to the power of x dot 7 is raised to the power of minus 2 is equal to 42. This implies that 8 over 7 is raised to the power of 2 multiply 7 is raised to the power of x minus 2 multiply 7 is raised to the power of x over 7 is raised to the power of 2 is equal to 42. Now we take the common 7 is raised to the power of x in both terms and then we take LCM in both terms. This gives us 7 is raised to the power of 2 is denominators and 8 minus 2 in numerators. We can simplify this further by combining the constants. 8 minus 2 over 7 is raised to the power of 2 multiply 7 is raised to the power of x is equal to 42. Simplifying these constants, 7 is raised to the power of x into 6 over 7 is raised to the power of 2 is equal to 42. Now we multiply on both sides by 7 is raised to the power of 2 over 6. This terms and this terms cancel out. On the right side, 6 ones are 6 and 6 sevens are 42. So we get 7 is raised to the power of x is equal to 7 multiply 7 is raised to the power of 2. Now because we find out the solution of x, so we take log on both sides. Log x is raised to the power of x is equal to log into x multiply x is raised to the power of 2. Using the first rule of logarithm, in this term change the operations between in both terms. This implies that log 7 is raised to the power of x is equal to log 7 plus log 7 is raised to the power of 2. Similarly, again we using the third rule of logarithm. Power come to start there. X log 7 is equal to log 7 plus 2 log 7. Now dividing the by log 7 on both sides. X log 7 over log 7 is equal to log 7 over log 7 plus 2 log 7 over 7. Log 7 cancel out. So this implies that x is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now we will check out the solution of given equation. Okay, this is a true or not. The value of x put in given questions. 8 over 7 is raised to the power of 2 multiply 7 raised to the power of 3 minus 2 multiply 7 is raised to the power of 3 minus 2 is equal to 42. On left side 7 is raised to the power of 2 cancel to 7 as is raised to the power of 3 and this terms 7 3 minus 2 equal to 1. 8 multiply 7 is equal to 56 minus 2 multiply 7 is equal to 14 is equal to 42. 56 minus 14 is equal to 42 is equal to 42. Therefore, the given equation of the solution x is equal to 3. I hope this video has helped you understand how to solve exponential equations. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more math tutorial like this one.